Today we are going to be looking at 8 ideas for generating passive income on a budget. Generating passive income on a budget can be challenging, especially when you're just starting out. However, there are several options to explore if you're willing to get creative with your money-making plan. Here are 8 low-cost ideas that could potentially bring in serious money in the long run, especially on the tightest of budgets. While many people think of investing in stocks or real estate as their go-to methods, there are plenty of other ways to make money without having to invest too much upfront. From buying and reselling domain names, to using coupons and shopping apps, here are 8 low-cost passive income ideas that you can start today. 1. Sell your unwanted items. Selling your unwanted items can help you to generate passive income. Sites like Poshmark and Letgo are great ways to get the word out about what you have for sale, and they allow you to set your own prices. Keep in mind that this is considered gig economy work, which means it won't provide an endless supply of cash. However, if you're looking to make some money with little effort, this might be a good option for you. As long as there's a market for your used goods, you'll likely find buyers interested in them. A simple way to make some extra money from selling old clothes or other belongings is to visit second-hand clothing stores like Plato's Closet or Buffalo Exchange. Again, these options will not offer full-time income opportunities. However, they could be a good way to earn additional funds if you need them. 2. Rent out your space. Whether you own your house or rent, you can make money by renting out space. One of the easiest ways to do this is to rent out space for someone to stay with you. Another way would be to rent out your car when you don't need it by listing it in an online service like Turo or Getaround. If you're willing to put up with the noise and traffic, another idea would be renting out your driveway for parking. 3. Create an online course. You can create an online course that teaches people how to start a blog, or how to create videos for YouTube, or how to make money from affiliate links. Your course can be as short as 5 minutes, or as long as several hours. If you want to charge for the course, you will need to set up an account with either PayPal or your credit card provider. From there, you will send them the payment details for your customers and they'll handle collecting their payments. Alternatively, if you are using Udemy or Skillshare, they'll handle all of this automatically. 4. Start a blog. One of the best ways to generate passive income is to start your own blog. With minimal upfront costs and plenty of potential for return, starting your own blog is a fantastic way to build passive income with little risk. While some people create blogs as an extension of their interest or profession, others find success using their blog to explore a topic they're passionate about but don't know much about. From fashion bloggers who share outfits they put together themselves at no cost, to DIY bloggers who share step-by-step tutorials on how to accomplish certain tasks, with occasional affiliate links, there are many creative ways that you can make money from blogging. 5. Open an Etsy shop. One way to generate passive income is to open an Etsy shop. This can be done even if you are not well versed in arts and crafts or have no experience whatsoever. There are plenty of tutorials online about how to set up your Etsy shop and get it ready for prime time. You can also get into the habit of buying something from your favorite store every day and reselling it on Etsy so that you have at least one item listed at all times. 6. Recycle and sell second-hand clothes. One great way to generate passive income is to sell clothes you no longer wear. This can be done by setting up an online shop and selling your clothes, or by hosting a garage sale. In both cases, there's little cost involved and the profits are easy to keep track of. Keep in mind that eBay has a minimum fee for each listing, so if you want to list 10 items at once, it may not be worth it because the fee will cancel out any potential profit. 7. Sell handmade crafts on sites like Etsy or eBay. If you love crafting, the best way to make money from it is to sell your crafts online. Sites like Etsy and eBay are great places to start because they are well known and have a lot of traffic. Plus, if you already have an established social media presence or website, then Etsy can be used as another channel for reaching customers. 8. Use affiliate marketing. Online affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to start making money online, and it doesn't require any upfront costs. By partnering with companies who offer products or services you believe in, you can help them by promoting their products and services through your social media channels, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and blog posts. When someone clicks on your affiliate link from one of your channels to purchase that company's product or service, you will earn a commission for all sales. Thanks for tuning in to Capital Investments. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video.